Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and this video is all about this DIY jean jacket right here. It's springtime is coming, so you need a jean jacket, but I decided to do a fly one. Okay, in total I think this jacket cost me $30, maybe $35. So yeah girl, I got the jacket for $20. I'm gonna just put all the details down below. I got y'all, don't worry. But if you want to see how I achieved this jacket, continue to watch. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video you're notified. Then go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment, like, share, subscribe. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know. Y'all, did y'all see my perm rod video? This is my faux perm rod. Yes, perm rod lit. Okay, will be linked down below. Okay, remember to bloom because the flowers just a soul blossom in nature. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, hey flowers, let's get started. I got this coat from eBay. I got all of the things that you see right now from eBay. Most of the items came from China. So I did that first side because I wanted to make sure that I could iron on these. And you can. The sequins does not melt, just so you guys know. Like if you buy sequin ones, these did not melt at all. I held it on there, as you can see right now, for a little bit. Then I lifted it up and I'm just touching the corners to make sure they're on there, and I'm going to the next shade. So I did that every single time. You just lay it down flat, get the iron. The iron is on the highest set. It is on cotton, so it will not burn through, y'all, I promise. The jellyfish one did have a little bit of a problem, but other than that, it was okay. So I'm just placing where I want everything on the back now so that I can just do them all in one sitting. I didn't want to place them one at a time and then figure it out. So this is my final placement that I decided on. And I'm just going to start the same thing. You're just going to use the iron and just go right over it. Super simple, easy. Wow. Like, this is one of the easiest DIYs. I wanted to do it so that it could be accessible for anyone to do. So now we're going to go ahead and start with the top. Now you want to make sure that when you do it, it's even, and that's what I'm measuring now. And then I'm going to go and take a needle and thread, and I'm just going to sew the two side points, like where you see me sewing on the other side, and then a bit in the center, because I want it to be able to flap over. I want it to be fluffy enough to cover that whole collar piece. So you're just going in and out and in and out. It would be easier to do this with a sewing machine, but like I said, I wanted this to be easy for everyone, and I know everyone does not have a sewing machine, so I did it by hand so I could show you, like, it's possible, sis. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in and I'm just showing you guys how that looks, and I'm gonna go on the other side, and then I'm gonna do the center like that. So I went ahead and sewed everything, and that's the jacket, y'all. Like, super quick, super easy. This peacock one I had to sew on as well, so you just sew it around, in and out, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is the final jacket. I hope you guys enjoyed. It is perfect. It's exactly how I wanted it to look. It's nice, it's edgy, it's sparkly. I love sparkles. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.